Alright boys, you know what it is. Another Friday. Drinks in the lawn. Not a whole lot to report this week, really. Still pretty good for this time of the year. I put down a full rate of Armada and a full rate of Equalizer and a half a rate of Feature, I think. Did the front and the back. I'm not going to show you the back today, just don't have time. So I have a new camera coming with all the gadgets and gizmos. I have to get some better footage. Maybe even do some streams at night. I don't know. I don't know how I can set that up, but it's gonna be awkward for you guys. Anyway, yard looks good. Fungus is really good. I mean, normally, like, again, I've said this like many times, I would be recovering right now. For the most part, this is thick and strong. This spot right here is always bad. I mean, I don't even need to throw seed on this. This spot over here is usually the same. You look good. In fact, too good. I'm gonna have to strip this down, I think. Got some grassy weeds. Probably gonna do a app of miso here soon. So the big topic this week was this tree was supposed to come down. It's marked. So he's like, yeah, I'll park here from blah 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 to blah blah blah. It's still here. Anyways, when that happens, and this tree's huge, it's ginormous. When that happens, the lawn game goes from the pad one to the master. Wait, can I delete that? Can I roll that back? Wait. So I have not done a damn thing to the beds this year. You know, I've hand pulled weeds, but not even really that. Because we got the house exterior redone. We just didn't want to deal with the beds. So I've continued to cut the edges in with the whipper. Although even that's not great. But I haven't cut this in yet. I'm gonna make a video out of that. We haven't mulched yet. I'm gonna make a video out of that because that's gonna be kind of a little two-parter. It's better to put down rocks in certain areas, and I'm going to expand on that. Better to put down rocks than mulch. And then the obvious too is I have this irrigation laying here. It's been laying here for a season and a half. It's time to bury it, set it up proper. Maybe even expand on my ideas a little bit out there. Get some swings out. Get some better coverage on the extremities, front and back. It's gonna be like a quasi, semi, whatever you want to call it. The redneck method. Anyways, I'm gonna have a little booth here with all the irrigation stuff. It's gonna be kind of cool. Really nice stuff to install. if you like to do that. Anyway, lawn grass is coming back, kind of. Backyard's strong but kind of ugly because of the dogs. But we have seed and we're gonna plug, and we have a whole renovation schedule here. A lot of work. It's gonna be fun. I don't really like this long grass on the edges anymore. I want to get rid of it. Don't tell anybody. So yeah, I'm going to have another beer. Cheers, by the way. I'm gonna have a beer and pull out the mower here. Charge the battery up on the LED. And I will update you nerdy Discord guys as I go. You guys have a good Friday.